Hi, this is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I am here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with a 1998 to a 2012 Ford Explorer. The part number on the back reads 3B:2L3T-15K601-AB. To open the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. The easiest way is to go from the bottom and just pop it up. The battery is located here. The battery for this remote is CR2032. To replace the battery, you just snap a new one back in and then snap the key fob back together as well. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.